Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the second day that I've been coughing and having runny nose. So yesterday I ordered the home COVID testing kit, so to make sure if I don't have COVID. So today they will deliver the home testing kit, so I'm waiting today. So once it's arrived, I will do the testing and I'll update you guys. So I hope it's negative. Pray for me guys. Alright, I'll update you. So guys, now the home testing kit already arrived. So I'm gonna open it and then I will do the test. So please pray for me, it will be negative. Alright. So guys, let's open it. So this is it. I think the one I order right there. The one I order, it comes oh, 5 testing kits right there. 5. Yeah. So let's see. Let's open. They also have this video how to use it, because I think this one you can, this is a 2-in-1, so you can so this is right there, you can see it. Yeah, there. So 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, and then this is the I think this is, let's see, I think this is the instruction, but it's in Japanese, so I'm just gonna watch the so this is so 1 2 3 4 5 right there. Okay, so I'm ready to do the test. Guys, before I proceed, so I'm just gonna show you. So this one, it goes to your nose to get sample, and then so you put it in here, this one, and then this is the thing. Okay, and then I think this one is to get the sample that goes in here, and then once you get the result, so you put it in this bag to dispose it. Okay, so I will do the test now. So guys, so I got the result less than 5 minutes, even though it says within 15 minutes, but yeah, so within 5 minutes I got the result. So it means only one line, so it means it's a negative result. So it means I don't have COVID. So the one I'm experiencing right now is only allergy. Yeah, so only allergy, and I'm so grateful that I don't have any COVID. Alright guys, so yeah, so it says negative right there on the, yeah, so one line. So if you get one line, so negative, two lines positive, and then this one is if it's invalid. So that's it. And thank you so much for those people, or for all of you guys who pray that I will get a negative result. Thank you so much, guys. All right, so happy. So this kind of testing kit, you can do the nasal sample, or you can do a saliva sample. That's why it has a dropper, so you can get a cup and spit in the cup, and then use that dropper to put it in here. So here you go. I think that's it for my vlog today. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.